Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Gwen and today I have you back for a housekeeping video. Today I'm making a scented powder for your vacuum cleaner, your toilets and or your trash cans in order to neutralize bad odors while leaving a better and lighter smell. Very easy to use. I spread it on the floor and vacuum it up with my vacuum cleaner. The powder will delicately perfume your rooms. I put it in a bowl in my toilet and pour it into my trash can before putting my bag in it. Depending on my use, I change the powder more or less regularly. Every week for my vacuum cleaner because I use it 2 to 3 times a week because of my cat and my 2 dogs. In my trash can, I change it with the bag or leave it longer if it still smells enough. The lifespan of your toilet powder will mainly depend on the surface area of your room. The perfume will evaporate more or less quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate if you have any questions. You can find other recipes of this type on my channel in the household products playlist. See you soon.